When we got the opportunity to redesign Berns Gallery 2351 for their 7th year anniversary, our plan was to change the normally raw and minimalistic space into a warmer room full of organic life. Our idea was to build a surrealistic forest of magic and mystery to spark curiosity and help the visitor to forget about their everyday life, embrace the unexpected, and surrender to the atmosphere. At the entrance, we built a bridge as a symbol of transition, a path to an undiscovered world beyond the normal nightclub experience.